name's Brent Petrin with QMC Cranes, and today I want to take just a couple of minutes to show you the new remote system that we're using on all of our cranes. Our remote controls are put on any crane that you want and give you complete control over the unit. That allows a single operator to go out to a site and have control from any point around the truck. I'm going to have Nick over here show you a few pieces of that remote.
So this is the remote. Pretty much gives you the capability to do anything the crane is capable of doing from the ground. So first we're going to start the engine. You can adjust the throttle from the remote. We can also utilize all the functions variably so you can achieve the speed that you're looking to get. You also have the ability to shut the engine off when you're done.
All of these features allow the QMC remote to be the perfect tool for you at any job site.